In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage shared access in OneDrive. If you need to check who can open a file, update sharing permissions, or simply review access settings, OneDrive makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can manage access confidently and keep your files shared the way you want. To begin, open your OneDrive and go to My Files. This is the main area where your personal files and folders are stored, so it's usually the easiest place to locate the item you want to review. Take a moment to find the specific file you want to manage. If you have a lot of files, it can help to scan carefully before moving on, since the access settings you open will only apply to the file you select. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. If you're using a device or browser where the right-click menu doesn't appear right away, you can also use the three-dot menu attached to the file. This menu gives you additional options related to that file, including the sharing and permission controls we need for this task. Be sure you're opening the menu for the correct file before continuing. From that menu, click on Manage Access. This is the section where OneDrive shows you the current sharing setup for that file. Here, you can review who already has access and what kind of access they have. Depending on your setup, you may see people, groups, or links that have been used to share the file. This area is useful when you want to confirm that the right people can still open the document, or when you need to adjust access later. When you're in Manage Access, take a close look at the information shown on the screen. This is where you can monitor file visibility and make sure sharing is still appropriate. It's a good habit to check this section regularly, especially for files that contain important work or information you only want certain people to see. And that's it. To manage shared access in OneDrive, open My Files, right-click or use the three-dot menu on the file and select Manage Access. It's a quick process, but it gives you an important way to stay in control of your file sharing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.